Hello, I'm Dr. Niraj More. I have done my MBBS from ACPM Medical College and post-graduation from MGM Medical College, Aurangabad. My future plans are to pursue MRCP. I had a great problem in having the proper approach how to study. Through online YouTube course, I found out that Dr. Sumanta is conducting lecture series and guiding students for MRCP. So after watching videos,
you're studying now, we'll see that you can grasp what brain now.
I was quite interest was developed over a period of time, and fortunately sir has organized lectures in India, so I thought it is a great opportunity to grab and meet him in person and share some experiences along these 2 days. So basically I had a good experience while learning quite many tricks. The SS boxes are quite helpful, and hopefully we'll study properly and apply this knowledge in coming year, and hopefully everyone will pass with flying colors, and I'll keep on learning many things from you, sir, through online course.
Thank you.